Good morning! So, papawis muna tayo. Pero bago yan, bigay muna tayo ng financial teaching. Ano ba ang best investment na walang talo? Merong nagtanong sa isang financial class. Sabi niya, Sir, pwede ba mag-invest na walang ilalabas na pera? Sabi ng financial coach, pwede naman. Pero pag dating ng panahon na ilalabas mo na yung investment mo, wala ka rin ilalabas na pera kasi wala ka naman in-invest. So, what is the best investment na wala kang talo? Invest in yourself. Bakit ang pag-i-invest sa ating sarili ay walang talo? Number one, we learn. Once we learn, we have the power. Sabi nga, lamang ang merong alam. Ikalawa, you become expert. Okay? And when you become an expert sa isang bagay, number three, you win. Mananalo ka. And if you want to become champion on your finances, turo mo yung alam mo. Then you build a team and you become champion. Sabi nga, before you invest your money, invest first in yourself. To know more about investment, on how to invest in yourself first, atin ka na aming free financial education. Chat mo lang ang any member of ING or chat mo ako sa aking personal Facebook account. Live God Design Life.